What's going on YouTube? Armani, that car addict, back with you guys a brand new video. It's good to see you, and it's good to be seen. In the last video, I showed you guys how to spontaneously put the targa top in the trunk of your C7. This video is just a full in-depth video of that, because I feel like that short explanation in there and the view of the camera was not good enough, or didn't do it justice at all, in my opinion. So it is currently 100 degrees right now. I will show you. Yes, no, a little Justin Timberlake never hurt nobody. Yes, it's 100 degrees, and I'm doing this video for you guys, so be thankful. So yeah, we're gonna get into that now. All right, so first things first, back here, right there, click this up, and now unlatch that. Then secondly, on both sides under your mirrors here, open that one. Do the same thing over here, open that one. Make sure when you're doing this, you roll the windows, at least crack them a little bit. Well, I just roll them down all the way, doesn't matter. Then you pop the trunk there. And then give me a second to set up the camera so I can show you the rest. Okay, so once you got everything unlatched, go ahead and lift it up a little bit here, shimmy it up a little bit. Make sure you can get your fingers underneath here. Slide it up a little bit. God, it's hot. And then slide your fingers on the back side of this, and then just like that, pull up. Alright, you know you always have to have your decel supplies when you own a vet in the car. And some driving shoes just in case you want to get active. Anyways, so right here, right there, and right there is where the roof is going to click. And then the back end of the roof will click in here and here. The little nubs. I'll show you shortly. Alright, like I said before, the front end, the little lip, the rounded piece goes in first. Slides in there. Make sure you go in there. Slides in just like that. Like that. And press down and snug in. Besides my handprints being on there, because they're greasy, it slides in there just like that. The only problem is, if you want to get under it, when you have the top off, you just have to prop it up just like this and get up under there and then set it back down. But when you're inside the car in the driver's seat, you can reach behind you and get the stuff that you need that's underneath this as well. Okay, so that's pretty much it for taking it off. Now I'm gonna show you how to put it back on. Same way, just reverse. Alright, don't mind the red seat. Yes, it matches the car. I had the seat before I had the car. Don't roast me in the comments. Now I'm gonna show you how to put it on in the reverse way. So, come behind your car, hit the button, pop the hood, trunk, get this off. Try not to burn yourself if it's hot outside. Slide it over. Thank God this is light because it's carbon fiber. In the same way, you slide the back in first. This one. Slide the back in first. Hop in the car. Pull it down a little bit, and then clip everything back in. And there you go. You put your roof successfully back on your C7. Alright, this is my third time making this take. Anyways, before I pass out here. So, when you get back in the car and make sure it's locked, you go up here. Over, you can see that there. If this is down like this, click this up, and if this little piece right here is loose like this, you just pull on the back of this a little bit, make sure it's locked. Same with this over here, make sure it's locked there, and make sure your side is locked there. And then make sure, if you have a friend or somebody with you, just make sure it's locked on both sides, and then there you go. That is how you successfully put your targa top back on your C7 Z06 or C7 Grand Sport ZR1 base model, either or. The same thing goes for the C8s and I think some of the C5s. So whenever I get a C8 Z06 or something else, if I decide to change my mind, I will definitely do a video on the C8 Z06 when I get one. So hopefully that is helpful for you guys. Let me know in the comments if you've had any problems with your targa top on the highway or in general, if you had a little creaking. I know there's a video about that out there. I'm just not sure how you mitigate to get rid of the creaking noise of your roof. So with that being said, I hope this is helpful. Let me know in the comments below if you had any problems with your C7 roof, or if you're trying to get one. If you're trying to get one, click this video up here, and I'll show you the buyer's guide, which you need to know about buying a C7 Z06. I'm not sure about all the other ones, but I know about my car. So, case in point, that's it for the video. Short and sweet, to the point. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace.